Now I discuss about the balancing method of redox reaction using oxidation number method, and this is for class 11. And now I take an example, that is CuO plus NH3 ammonia react to produce copper, nitrogen and water. Now first we have to know which one become oxidized and which one become reduced. If I consider if I consider the oxygen adding and hydrogen removing method, now copper remove oxygen, so it become reduced. This is the reduction. And in case for ammonia to nitrogen, it eliminate hydrogen, so it become oxidized. This is our old method to know which one get reduced and which one get oxidized. And if I consider the oxidation number, the copper has oxidation number +2 in CuO, and nitrogen has oxidation number -3 in ammonia, and in Cu it has 0 only, and in nitrogen it has also 0. So from CuO to Cu, the oxidation number decreases. So when reduction occur, the oxidation number decrease, and when oxidation occur, that is oxidation number increases. So this is the process by which I can get which one oxidized and which one reduced. Now the method follows at first we have to write the half reaction, that is oxidation half reaction. In oxidation half reaction we only write the oxidation part, because half means only the oxidation reaction, and if I consider about the reduction half reaction, this is only for the reduction reaction. Now the method is to balance the element which get reduced only. This is the nitrogen here which get reduced, and we have to balance only nitrogen element, not the hydrogen. Here 2 nitrogen present, so we must write 2 before ammonia. And now the change of oxidation number, we must subtract final oxidation from to initial oxidation, and the final oxidation number is 2 into 0, and the initial oxidation number is 2 into -3. So we must subtract it, and it becomes +6. So the change of oxidation number in oxidation half reaction is +6. And now the second half reaction is reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. In reduction half reaction we have to write only the reduction reaction. This is CuO to Cu, and here copper already balanced because one copper present in both the side, and from Cu to CuO to Cu, the change of oxidation number number 0 to +2, this is -2. So the ratio of change of oxidation number is in oxidation and reduction is 6:2. We have to take only the change, the number, not the sign. So we take only plus 6 from plus 6 and only 2 from minus 2. So the ratio is 3:1. Now we have to focus about the reaction in the reduction oxidation reaction. The change of oxidation number and change of reduction number, change of oxidation number in reduction and change of oxidation number in oxidation become same, because the total reaction are always neutral. So we have to multiply the change of oxidation number in both sides by opposite number to equalize. So here we look the oxidation half reaction multiplying by 1 and reduction half reaction multiplying by 3. So oxidation half reaction we have to write. What is the oxidation half reaction? That is 2NH3 2N2. We have to multiply it with 1, and reduction half reaction, that is CuO to Cu, we have to multiply it with 3. Now after multiplying we get 2NH3 to N2 and 3CuO to 3Cu. Now we adding it, 3CuO plus 2NH3, and we get the product N2 plus 3Cu, and we have to notice here the water molecule we have in the reaction given is not in our balanced reaction. So we must write the total reaction CuO to NH3 and nitrogen plus 3Cu plus the remaining water. And now we have to count the element, the atom in both sides. 3Cu, 3Cu, 2N, 2N, 6H present at left side. So we have to balance it by multiplying 3 of water molecule, and 3 oxygen present in left side, and we get 3 oxygen also in right side. So these are the method to balance the redox reaction using oxidation number method. Thank you.